I hope they're ready for some bangers. Subscribe, like, and turn on your post notifications. This is gonna be so freaking funny. This is one thing Mama don't know.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Tamika. Hello, gorgeous, and welcome to our VLOGTOBER. Our VLOGTOBER number 5. All right, so here I have my guests. Come on, girl.
Hey, y'all.
And London is going to be doing my makeup. Now, she is going to be giving me a fall look. Now, prior to filming this video, I did ask her to research on YouTube on fall makeup tutorials. So hopefully she got it down packed. And so let's go ahead and get started in this video. So first I want to put on chapstick because my lips are a little chappy. Okay. All right.
My lips are fine.
Okay, so what we're going to do is put on a little bit of primer. So some of these products that I'm using is from the Dollar Tree. So here goes the primer right here. Let's focus. I don't know. It's going to focus right. All right, boom.
Wait, I'm washing my hands.
Okay, so she's washing her hands and put it on my face.
So like dots around?
Just rub it around my face.
Like,
Yes,
okay.
rub it all over. Okay.
This is fun.
All right. So next we're going to get some makeup. So we're going to use some foundation. It's in the room.
Foundation.
Hold on.
This is gonna be so freaking funny. This is one thing Mama don't know.
Package. Now this is the same actual bottle that I had back in March when I did a impressions video. So if you have not checked that video out, please make sure you do. So just go like this right there.
So,
Yeah.
and here.
So next we're going to do the
Eyeshadow.
So for the eyeshadow, she is going to be using, I think I got this from 5 and Below. I'm not exactly sure, but we're going to use some dark colors. So, you know, around here is where we're going to focus on.
It's kind of like fall colors, right?
Yeah, but you also got to add the dark colors.
No.
too.
Oh, so like if I'm adding this, I'm going to add
Yeah.
some like this. Close. Okay, this is turning really good out for me, and this is one thing. You need to stop squinting your eyes.
Well, you dabbed my eyelid.
Oops, no, I'm sorry.
You're done?
Once. I'm doing this for the end. And done.
Okay. So now she is going to do my eyebrows.
Yes.
So I'm using just a regular black pencil that you get from your local beauty supply store. This right here. Okay.
You remember the last time I did your eyebrows?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me make sure.
Okay, come on. Oh.
So yeah.
You're blending. Wait, hold on. You just get a bronzer. That's all y'all do.
Okay.
No, here.
Okay. Oh yeah.
So this one is LA Girl Blush Collection Spice. I'm not sure exactly where I got this one.
Okay. Put this to right here.
Okay. Let her do her thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna do my thing. Yep, let me do my thing. Turn aside.
Okay.
Ooh, I love this blush. This is so cute. And let's add more of this. No.
All right. So, I'ma look in the mirror. 1, 2, 3.
Go!
Oh! See what you think. Comment down below if I'm doing a good job with my makeup. Or say
in
which
the
part of
world
my
did
face
you do to my eyebrow?
I know the eyebrow is not very, very good, but overall, I
would've
think
been all right
she
if you
tried.
wouldn't have messed
So
up
I'm
my
gonna give her
eyebrow.
a 10 out of 10.
Telling me to dance, taking a chance.